Nice. Oh, did you lose him?
That's the frog, man.
Yeah, you got him on the frog?
Yeah.
I tell you, man, my hookup ratio on frogs,
Mine is 1 in 10.
yeah, mine's probably about that. Maybe 1 in 10, 3 in 10. It's horrible.
Oh, that was a nice fit, too.
Got one, Don. Come here, buddy.
Nice. First bass of the day.
First bass of the day, the skunk is gone.
Did you get him on?
Senko, well, it's a yum dinger, but yeah, just a stick worm, yeah.
What color?
It's like a natural, like a green pumpkin. It's got that little chartreuse tip.
Oh, gotcha.
Nothing huge, but I'll take it.
Yeah, I'd take every one.
Yep, exactly. There you go, buddy. We'll be free. Okay, what's going on, folks? Fitzy from FitzYakin here. Today I'm fishing with Don from Bucktails Outdoors. He's visiting New York. He's from New York originally, so he's visiting from New Hampshire, and we decided to get together. So we got on the water about, I don't know, maybe an hour ago. Been having some blow-ups with the pike. I've caught one bass. Don's had a couple blow-ups on pike, so hopefully we're gonna get him some fish. And we've just been chilling out for the last hour fishing and just hanging out and talking. So stay tuned. Hopefully there'll be some more fish on. I'm gonna try some frogging action right here. I stink at the frog. I'm gonna try it. Pike, Don.
Nice.
On the white chatterbait. Come here, buddy. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come on. There we go, a nice little pikey on the white chatterbait. He's bleeding pretty good from his mouth, so we're gonna let him go. There we go. Slimy sons of guns. Son of a bitch. Oh, he took my bait.
Not yours.
No, he just pulled it off. I think it was a bass. It's always hard to get a hook set sometimes and stuff because your line's wrapped.
Right.
You know, like.
Yeah, especially those little tall things that are standing
Yeah,
up.
these reed things, they. Ah. There we go. Come here. No. Come here. Come here. You gotta tear your lip ball up, dude, on me. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Oh my God. Man, you're a short guy, but you're stocky. Look at that. Oh, there he goes. I mean, if I was a bass, this is where I'd be hanging out, you know?
I know. Shade.
Yeah. Got some deeper water if you want to go to it. I don't know. Ambush some. I was getting some taps, but I think it was some bluegill or something. But sometimes they're hanging out in here too. There we go. Ah. It's definitely a bass. Come there, buddy. Ah. Yeah. I thought he was bigger, but he's not bad. I'll take him. He's a chunky little guy, you know what I mean? He's not real super long, but he's got a nice little gut on him.
Yeah, he does. I'd catch those all day long.
You know what? Me too, Don. Me too. I'd be happy as anything. Catching these all day long. You know? Gave me a nice little fight. Did a nice little hit on it, you know? Well, he got a nice little gut on him.
I'm going to run, yeah.
Oh, that's okay. Oh. Another bass. Jeez, man. You're the same one. Ooh, I foul hooked him right in the nose. Ah, sorry, dude. Another bass. Man, another short, chunky one. You got one? I'm coming. Nice.
Big one. Hit it hard.
Did you?
And popped. I'll hold it way out so it looks bigger.
Let me get a couple.
Alright. Good?
Okay, yeah. Sweet. Awesome.
Man, the hook is like up under us. I don't know who's going to bleed more, him or me. That's me bleeding.
Nice.
That ain't him.
That's you.
Oh man, you know when he hit pretty good, and then he dove right into that.
Yeah, yeah.
That's fun.
Slime pickles. Yeah, Don.
Pike action's picking up.
Yeah. Do you want a picture or anything?
Yeah, I might.
Yeah. I'll come over.
Good?
Yeah.
I gave him some of my blood. From the last one.
A little tribute. There. I just caught a pickerel. I wasn't recording the whole time. I thought I was recording. But there he is. Nice chunky one. Pretty looking pickerel. All right, buddy. Get back in there. I just got done fishing with Don from Bucktails Outdoors. We had a good day. Caught some pike, caught some pickerel, and caught some bass. It was a warm one. I don't know, it's probably 90 or so, but good day, man. And he's a great guy. It was nice to meet him finally and fish with him, and definitely I'd like to fish with him again. So if you haven't, go check out his channel if you don't have him. Go check him out, Bucktails Outdoors. I'll put a link in the above here in the description and at the end of the video. So as always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.